Shiva to get seat in one of the top management college and starts praying. Om Namah Shivaya, Nimchadi Maya. Om Namah Shivaya, Nimchadi Maya. Om Namah Shivaya, Nimchadi Maya. From somewhere else, our Mother Shiva appears. What's up, dude? Open your eyes and ask me whatever you want. Nothing, da. I just want a seat in top management college. Can you take your snake out? It's kissing me. Hey, you snake, go out. Sorry, dude. Hey, please, da. Ask anything. But this job is very difficult at this point of time. Hey, Shiva, dangeನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, granted. Join TTL. You continue the story after some time. ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಿದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಗುರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ PSR ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. A boy with his girlfriend in his Apache bike. There were many humps. Therefore, the boy, a humps are brakes, a humps are brakes, a humps are brakes. And finally puts a brake, e-brake, back brake, front brake, and finally disc brake. After this, he hits a lorry and both fell down. The moral of the story is, whether it's Gaudi or lady, keep distance. Now I see from an examination center, a fully frustrated student was searching for his number and doesn't find it. He inquires, sir, ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ. ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ. ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ? ಸರ್ ತುಪ್ಪು ಸರ್. ನಿನ್ನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಸರ್ P0601098. ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷವೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ. Now we'll continue our story of Janji Jogi. Finally got seating top management college. Now a scene from a parking lot. Shobaka comes there. After this incident, our Janji Jogi tries Shakira fair and handsome. After first week, attend. After second week, attend. After third week, attend. Shakira fair and handsome. Andere ko roshni se barde. You continue Jogi scene after short. Husband tries to come near wife. ನಿನ್ನ ಮರೆಯಲಾರೆ. ಟಾಮ್ ಟಾಮ್ ಲಾಲಿಪಾಪ್. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನಿದ್ದೆ. Prithviraj and Sadesh in their Apache bike. Suddenly Kencha appears. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಗ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಗ, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಗ? Because it's the only place where you can find